Hey, what's up, BuySmart fam? Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the Canon EOS R7, and on my right, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Now, if you're standing in the camera aisle feeling like a deer caught in headlights, don't worry. We've got your back. Let's break down these beauties and see which one deserves a spot in your camera bag or your heart. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Canon EOS R7 is priced at a cool $1,499, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to get into photography without breaking the bank. Many reviewers highlight its affordability and recommend it for beginners looking to step up their game. On the other hand, the R6 Mark II is sitting pretty at $3,599. Reviewers note that while the R6 Mark II is more expensive, its advanced features justify the price for serious photographers. So if you want to save some cash, the R7 might be your best bet. But the R6 Mark II has the premium features that can impress your friends. Next up is image quality. The R7 boasts a 32.5 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor, which reviewers praise for its crisp images and impressive color accuracy. Many users have noted that it performs exceptionally well in both photo and video, making it a versatile choice. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II has a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, which reviewers rave about for its low-light performance and overall image quality. They say it captures exceptional detail, especially for wedding photography. So if you want that full-frame goodness, the R6 Mark II is your jam, but the R7 is no slouch either. Now, let's talk about shooting speeds. The R7 can shoot at a mechanical shutter speed of 15 FPS, which is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects, a feature that many users find invaluable for wildlife photography. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II can shoot at up to 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter and a whopping 40 FPS with the electronic shutter. Reviewers have noted that this speed is ideal for capturing fast-paced moments like weddings or sports. So if you're into fast action shots, the R6 Mark II is the Usain Bolt of cameras, while the R7 is still pretty fast, just not Olympic level. Let's not forget about autofocus. The R7 comes equipped with a solid AF system that many find reliable for various shooting conditions, especially for beginner photographers. However, the R6 Mark II takes the cake with its dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering a whopping 100% by 100% area with 1,053 AF zones. Reviewers have praised this feature, especially for its ability to capture fast-moving subjects like pets and kids. So, if you want to capture that elusive shot of your dog doing something cute, the R6 Mark II has got your back, while the R7 is like, hey, I'll try my best. Now, let's talk battery life, because nothing sucks more than running out of juice while trying to capture the perfect sunset. The R7 operates on a Canon LPE6NH battery and can keep you shooting for quite a while, which users appreciate for casual photography. But the R6 Mark II? It's got a battery life that's almost as long as a Netflix binge session. Reviewers have noted its impressive battery performance, especially during long events like weddings. So if you're planning a full day of shooting, the R6 might be your best friend. Just don't forget to charge it overnight, or it'll be more useless than a chocolate teapot. In summary, the Canon EOS R7 is highly praised for its affordability, excellent image quality and advanced autofocus capabilities, making it a great choice for beginners and casual photographers. Conversely, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II receives accolades for its superior performance, especially in fast-paced situations and low-light conditions, making it ideal for professionals and serious enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS R7 is perfect for those looking to dip their toes into the mirrorless world without sinking their bank account. But if you want the creme de la creme of cameras and don't mind spending a bit more, the R6 Mark II is ready to rock your world. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons that will save you time, money, and maybe even a few heartaches. Until next time, keep buying smart.